drive? This is the 2021 Kia Seltos. And like you need more reasons, I'll tell you why you might love this even more. Advanced forward collision avoidance. Lane follow. Blind spot collision avoidance. UVO intelligence. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This is the Seltos here, the brand new 2021 Seltos. And if you're looking for some benefits, about 5-year, 100,000 kilometer warranty. And through Kia Navi, all eligible owners of Kia models qualify for 2 navigation upgrades within 10 years. Free for the first 3 months, free Sirius Satalite. 1% loyalty rate reduction towards lease or finance of all models. What about receiving Kia Canada points towards the purchase of a new Kia vehicle and earn dealer points to redeem on services, parts, and accessories? And if you're a recent graduate, you can be eligible up to $500 towards the purchase of a new Kia through our Grad Program. And listen, this might be your first car purchase ever. So if you are, there's never been an easier time to drive a brand new Kia thanks to a first-time vehicle buyer program. Car buyers with no prior finance history can take advantage of a $500 credit towards the purchase of their new vehicle. This is the new 2021 Kia Seltos. Come on in, check it out, drive away with it today.